Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing Colgate Total Whole Mouth Health. Alright, this is the fresh mint stripe variety of this. It's supposed to protect against cavities, plaque, gingivitis, enamel, tartar, fresh breath, whitens, sensitivity relief, deep clean, and odor neutralizer. And what this is specialized for is fighting bacteria on teeth, tongue, cheeks, and gums. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. If you want to know the main ingredient, the active ingredient is stannous fluoride at stannous fluoride at 0.454%. All right, with 0.15% with fluoride ion. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and right there, smell it. It smells very minty. Smells like a minty stripe, whatever that is. I'm going to go ahead and put some on my toothbrush so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take my toothbrush, and then I'm going to take the toothpaste, and I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and put some on so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to squeeze the tube slightly. Alright, so that's what the mint toothpaste looks like on my toothbrush. So it smells fresh, minty fresh. It's Colgate Total Minty Fresh Stripe. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.